excitingly, that sustainability is a real focus and has been for many, many years. There's lots of innovation and lots of new technology that brands should embrace and can embrace and stay ahead of that curve. It's something that we've adapted to at Radler. We actually produce 21% of our electricity via our solar farm. So there's some really cool stuff and innovation around that, and that's what brands I think should embrace.
So the greatest opportunity for the food sector, as far as I'm concerned, is the opportunity for digitisation, encompassing the introduction of AI, automation, robotics, and really we need to, if we're really going to embrace that and take it on board, then we need the skills into the sector in order to be able to do that. If we do that, we're going to improve quality, we're going to have better supply chain integrity. It's going to revolutionise the industry. The point is, though, we need to be bold about telling people about it. We can't hide this. We need to be able to say that the food sector is proud of its science and its technology. And if we do that, we'll attract more people to the sector.
So the biggest opportunity for us within the meat industry at the minute is bringing the best of Wales to the rest of the UK. So we're doing that in a few different ways at Edwards. Obviously we are the Welsh butcher, so we're looking to scale up the best from our butcher shop and take that not only throughout Wales but to the rest of the UK. And I think more and more retailers in the wider UK are understanding now the value of Welshness and selling Welsh products outside of Wales. We know that consumers think Welsh products are fresher, more natural, tastier. Market research shows us that. Retailers outside of Wales are clicking onto that now. So certainly in all sorts of food sectors, but certainly in meat as well, there is value there. We can add value for UK retailers. We have to acknowledge there's a cost of living crisis at the minute. Consumers don't have quite as much to spend as they might have done. So certainly for us, we've looked to just change up our offering a little bit. So we're now selling pork burgers in the burger fixture. So whereas people might have reached for beef before, they're now turning to pork for a slightly more affordable alternative. And I think especially as this economic situation continues, the meat industry has got to be reactive, and we've got to find these solutions to make great food affordable for the consumers.
So, what the greatest opportunity is in food and drink at the moment, I think, is the automation potential, and with the labour shortage that we see in the world over, is the ability to help businesses who are finding it difficult to have staff come in and run the lines and run production.
I think the greatest opportunity in the food and beverage industry at the moment is the ability to be able to scale. We at Anthesis are an infill partner. We're scaling down Tier 1 ERP solution into the food and drinks industry. This is unique. So this allows you as a growing business to be able to grow and scale your business and have systems, have processes that the Tier 1 customers would use in your business.
Honestly, the big message that we have at the moment is about need. So because of inflation, which obviously is especially bad in the food sector, so it's at 18%, the highest since 1975. So huge amounts of people are being pushed into food insecurity, and then they're coming to the charities who we supply asking for help. So we need more food in our system to get to people in need all across the country. So that's why we're here today, talking to food businesses, asking for surplus food so we can get it to people who need it the most.
As we look forward, a big focus area for us is to create better tasting liquids and to innovate in the right space to create exciting news for our retailers and for manufacturers alike. One of the areas that we continue to look at is developing innovation within our health space. Some of the areas of focus for us are around education and category work that we're doing. we believe that there's a huge opportunity for Gen Z shoppers across the soft drink space, particularly in the convenience area. We know that they're potentially the soft drink shoppers of the future, and we're building the right category plans, the right loyalty plans for our brands in order to have more energy and more points of difference when you go to the store.
So it seems to have been a great opportunity for people to display their products and looking at new opportunities for business. Certainly from a forklift truck perspective, we're trying to tie our working practices in with the best with some of the food manufacturers and see how we can assist them in production and things like that. So it's been a great opportunity for both parties from an industry perspective, from forklift trucks and from manufacturers.
The biggest opportunity for food and drink is to involve everyone in the collective challenges we've got. The food is something that we all relate to as people, as food citizens. So not just those people working in food, but everybody can relate to food. So there's an opportunity to use food as the way in to address some of the massive environmental and social challenges we've got about inequality, the climate crisis, the nature crisis, obesity crisis. So only by involving us and making food, using food as something that people are excited by, are passionate about, can we make a real difference?
So with COVID and all the things that's happened recently, one of the biggest challenges people have is the disruption to the supply chain and the manufacturing. So one of the opportunities after that is systems need to be able to be reactive, agile and flexible to adapt to these changing market forces.
I think the greatest opportunity at the moment in food manufacturing construction is sustainable construction and looking at how we can reduce carbon footprint and Scope 1 operational carbon footprint as well. We work with our clients to build a digital twin model of their facility before it's built, so that you can actually walk around the factory in virtual reality, look at opportunities for reducing size and scope, and look at greater opportunities for how we can really mitigate their carbon footprint and maximise the efficiencies within that building.
We would say microwave price convenience, real kind of proposition, great qualities expect from Plucker, great value in a tough time. Ready in 4 minutes, pop in the microwave, 4 minutes later ping, job done. Serve you some nice chips, McCain, a few peas, one happy family.
So the two biggest opportunities in the food and drinks industry for our products, we would say would be meat maturation. With our application, we can get you your money back on the product really quickly because you get to use 100% of the product. And we also have really good applications for cold stores. With this application, we can get rid of all of the ice within your cold store, which can help save energy on your evaporators, as well as improve the health and safety of your cold stores.
So the greatest opportunity for us at the moment is sustainability. The reduction of plastics and the planet is most critical for us.